How are you? We are fine. Today we came with a new spectacular video. In this video, we are going to set up a new budgie cage,
which is very wider and black in color, and which is sufficient for 4 budgies to fly, and they can breed in this cage. So we will introduce our budgies, and these two are one pair.
These two are the pair. This blue color one name is Peko, and this white color one name is Cloudy. And their up two are flying.
We will introduce them in last. So now we will start the video with setuping the cage. So let's
get started. So friends, we are here. These two budgies are on me only.
This is our new big cage.
So I'll introduce it. Here's the water. Here's the food one. These are the sitting stick. There are two. The down one is there. And this one is the potty tray. And that's it. So this, if you go means it is removable here. I'll put it once. It's ready.
So let's put the potty tray in this.
Next, if you remove this one, it will be like this. You can put like this. Then take this stick and take the stick.
Take this side, take it. Put properly.
Let it be, friends. Now it is like that much. Bring the breeding cage.
Box.
This is the breeding box, friends. It costed me 100 rupees.
From this,
here it is glass.
Eggs.
So here the budgies sit and put the eggs. And here from this budgies goes. And this is the hanging net. But we will not use this. We will keep it down in the cage. So remove this stick, please. No boy. Wait. Remove that. This. Take it. So friends, I will fix it. It's perfect. It's perfect, I think.
Later we will hang this up here. So
No. Hanging is not perfect. I think this much is the perfect one. So friends, how it is looking now here? Let me do this in front here.
So take front this way so they can see.
You come take the table itself.
See.
No. Keep it. Sorry friends, we are doing a little joke. Take it friend, please. Yes friends. Here you can check they're egged or not. So turn it. Take it front only. Yes. This one is bring the platings. So friends, these two are the playing things which I made in home only. These two balls I got in Kinder Joy, which when I was small I was playing with them. So I had put a thread to them. They will hang inside the cage.
This makes the cage beautiful and comfortable for the birds to play.
I'll tie it inside. Friends, only just 1 second please, so that I can. Pause the video please. Okay. Let me pause it. So friends, you can see I have tied it inside. Let me tie this one also. So friends, I have set up this
two
playing things. So give me the stick. So friends, this the one I will little make a plan. No.
Place this little up of the bird breed box so so that the birds can easily go into the breed box. This is perfect.
So friends, if I leave it, birds will sit here, means it will come like this and it will become a little
Sliding.
stand. Then I will take these for a support. So that they can. Yes, friends.
This
Now,
is
if
perfect.
they perfect means also they will not go down.
If it went down, it will come up. So this is perfect cage setup. Now we will bring the food for the birds.
No.
And water.
Still, we should do a thing again. One.
Wait.
Bring that
Brick.
So, friends, one recommendation I want to give for you. This one is a brick, red soil brick. I have tied a wire for it, and I'll hang it here inside, so that if it becomes a mode of calcium for the budgies. They come and hit it and eat the brick, and they get the calcium, and they breed. They breed more nicely, and the babies will be perfect.
By tying this, the birds will not suffer with the lack of calcium. This helps to get them calcium. In this, the birds will be strong and they will be healthy.
Oh.
Please do it over here. Sorry friends, this is our joke. Please pause the video.
No, wait. Pause it.
Video off. Pause.
Yes. So, friends, I have tied it. This boy is jealousy. He took my birds. Friends, he felt bad. I think he.
Let it be.
And I have tied it. So, Kushal, bring little water. So, friends, I'll bring the grain. So, friends, he had brought the water. I have brought the grains. I have put little veggies in them. So, take the cage back. The cage is perfect. Give the corn. I brought no corn.
Corn is here.
You feed your birds with corn, friends, because it is a healthy mode for your budgies.
So this is perfect cage setup.
So let put the budgies in the cage. Here. Hey. They don't want to go inside. Here.
Two more birds.
Yes, friends. I'll catch the two birds and come. Eat curry. Friends, this one budgie is very good, friends. So again on budgie is there. I'll come and put it. Friends, the 4 budgies are looking very nice in this. These two are paired. These two are paired. It is cutie. Kitty. My friend will introduce the birds now.
So this yellow color one which is standing up single, this name of this budgie is Sonu, and the one more bird which we left inside, that is green and yellow, that name is Cookie. So our 4 budgies which are Cloudy, Pico and Cookie and my Sonu.
So we will come with my next video, and our jokes will be going on in my next video also. So let's meet in my next video. Bye bye.
Which will come soon. Bye.
So friends, I didn't do any videos in this 1 month because our exams were going on. We had
completed our exams.
They were very good. They were very easy. We tried our best to do that, and soon we will bring our results.
So a new video will be launched recently. So please wait for that, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, which is Perfect Gold Stars Dhamaka, PGS Dhamaka.
Bye
So
bye.
please subscribe that. Bye.
Sorry friends.